Alright, y'all, so I gotta do this paper. And I need Mom, you know them people graduated today.
Takala, don't play with me.
What?
Like real shit. If you farting in my computer room sitting by me, I'm gonna punch you in your damn face. You do that shit again. You should excuse your fucking self up out of here. Fuck.
No, you ain't gotta do all
Girl, don't tell me what I gotta do. The fuck?
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna just have to cut out that part.
Cut out my ass.
Mom, this is supposed to be a friendly vlog.
I don't hear that shit.
Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna insert my morning.
Disrespect me again and pass some gas. Say what? I ain't catch that.
Oh, God. God.
I'm not fucking playing with you, Takala. Stop passing gas up here by me, bro.
It's not
You
me.
think this shit funny? This shit ain't fucking funny.
What's up with
too
you?
early in the morning for this.
Okay, what's up with
Stop
you?
playing with me.
Okay, what's up with you and gas? Like, what you got against gas? It's just regular air. All humans fart, Mom.
Yeah, you bet all humans get their ass beat too. And that's what's gonna happen for you.
All humans fart, though.
Stop playing with me.
Oh, yeah, guys. On your vlog, we stayed up the night. You know. We stayed up the night, you know, had to get lit for him one time. Am I right? Am I right, Mom?
Right.
Am I right?
That's fucking it. Get your ass up. Get up. Get up, Takala.
Okay,
I'm not
Mom,
playing with you, bro. I'm really not fucking playing with you. Real shit. Get up. I'm not playing no more. Get up.
On the camera? You gonna do this on the camera?
Why the fuck you even videoing me any fucking way?
Mom, I just said it was
Get up. And you better delete the fucking shit too. Got me on fucking camera like this. Then I ain't even got on no clothes.
Anyways, vlog.
I'm not fucking say get up. Like you steady trying to talk and you steady passing gas and I told you the next time get your ass up and get out of here.
Okay, I'm trying to get up. God. Mama.
That's fucking it. Get your ass up out of here. Get out. Get out and go upstairs, bro. Go to your room.
Okay.
Go ahead. You in my workspace.
Okay.
Get out.
Okay.
Get out.
Mama, wait.
Get out, Takala, and stop playing with me. Fuck. Play too damn much.
Look, Mom.
Okay.
You get it? Look.
You stupid. Get away from me. You lucky.
Yeah. She ain't know it was the app, y'all. She crazy. And without further ado, TT game, out. Y'all, so I'm outside right now. I just left the mailbox at the end of the street. And girls, we got our packages. Well, girls and boys, sorry. But yeah, we got our package or whatever. And the rest comes soon, so. Yeah. We're just gonna be doing the opening, so. Funny, but. Oh. So I guess we'll just do an opening right here by the window, because I want to stand up. Yeah, I'm so dead right now because I farted.
Stop fucking moving. Mama. I gotta put Richard. Stop fucking moving in that tail.
Hey, y'all, I real farted, like, and I'm so dead. And my mama thought it was that. I thought it was the app, but it wasn't. But it sounded like the app for it said, but yeah. I just want to say, up in this clip, I filmed that yesterday. So don't mind that bump on the side of my head. Don't mind that bump because it look huge up in there. And don't mind, like,
fit on point.
don't mind the knot I think I had. I remember that video. Girl, sit down.
You stay talking about her.
I do not stay talking about her, so you can shut up the cow.
Do, son.
Anyways, y'all, yeah, so don't mind that. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. Smash everything because I love you guys so much and we're cool.
Shut up.
So, yeah, this is the first package. I got 2 more coming, so let's get it all open. This is from Epica on Amazon because I need a fast shipping because I want that bag. So we'll open the balloons first. So these are the first pair. This is a U large, I don't know what you call it. It'll fit me like shorts. Okay, these are not my favorite pair, but they're cute. Or whatever. Came with this sticker and the thing and the 50% off code. I'm just gonna cover that next pair. I can't wait till the other ones come. This came with the same thing pretty much. And another 50% off code. These bad boys.